My colleagues and I at the Singapore Academy of Law wish all our members a fruitful, eventful and fulfilling 2025. Today, about a third of our members are in the junior category or just having crossed over to the middle category. How do we create the right kind of work environments that we might better harness the energy and the innovativeness of junior lawyers as they come into the workspace? How can the leaders of the legal profession today commit to building a future for the whole profession and harnessing this energy? Well, we in the Singapore Academy of Law firmly believe in investing in the future and in the junior lawyers especially. We need to equip them with analytical skills, judgment-making skills, and how to deal with a commercial environments where tools like Gen AI is so widely available to clients. So we've got a junior lawyers training program for that. For middle category and senior lawyers, we also need to pick up new skills. How might we be able to take new ideas and implement them? For example, how do we think about bringing generative AI into our workplace, whether it is through tools or through the development of our own AI models, depending on the type of firm that the size of the firm that you're in. We all need to pick up skills in order to bring in technology to be able to harness this new wave of growth. So this is why we are working with partners in practice to trial and launch 2 pilot pledges. First, a pledge to invest and send young lawyers for training, and second, a pledge to create a conducive work environment so that not only young lawyers but all lawyers might thrive.